Hey. So I just wanted to check in with y'all again. It's actually in the wee hours of Monday morning. It's 1:30. I've been sitting up here trying to ward off my hunger. Well, mostly not hunger, but my sweet tooth. And just playing around with my new phone. And I say, you know what, I need to get my butt ready for bed. And I could be eating a whole lot worse. But I have me some Fage yogurt with a baby banana cut up, some honey drizzled over it, and some of this Purely Elizabeth ancient grain chocolate peanut butter granola. This is the honey that I use. I'm trying different honeys, so they sold them in single packs, although you could probably get about 2 to 3 uses out this one. I just went on ahead and used the rest of it, but I used about a teaspoon of it or two sometime earlier in the week, and I went on ahead and used the rest of it tonight. And this is pretty good. This honey is pretty good. I do like it. They do sell it in a bigger jar, but the honeys taste different across the board, so I like to try different honeys, and so this one is pretty good in my opinion. And then this Purely Elizabeth, I see a lot of the keto, paleo people buying Purely Elizabeth, and so I love granola. That was one thing I missed about having my yogurts. I would always buy granola to put in it, and so I saw a lot of keto, paleo people try to eat healthy talking about Purely Elizabeth, so I went and tried it. I did put this in my Whole Foods shopping haul. I'm not sure if I didn't upload it yet, I don't think, but the different flavors have different macros. So this one, of course, because it's chocolate peanut butter, is going to have more sugar, sweetener, and stuff like that. But I do use coconut sugar as well as monk fruit. So it's sweetened with coconut sugar and baked with coconut oil. It's gluten-free and it's non-GMO. And it's actually pretty good. As you can see, I opened it because I tasted it. I had some in some yogurt, but I didn't add the honey the last time, and it just didn't taste good. I just ate all the chocolate off of it. But this is it right here. You can't eat it by itself if you want to, but these are the macros. I put in here about 2 tablespoons, so I think that's less than 1/3 of a cup, but this is the macros on it. And these are the ingredients. Everything is organic in here. So some people may have an issue with the cane sugar, but like I said, I could have worse. So, and it's not something I would eat every day. Maybe, I don't know. So that's what I got right here. It's pretty good. I also got the banana nut as well, and it has less sugar in it. And then these right here, y'all, I saw, y'all know I bought the Epic, but I kept seeing these as well. And so when I went to Whole Foods, I said, let me buy. These things are dangerous, y'all. They are crispy clouds of porkaliciousness. I bought 2 bags, and both times I ate the whole bag in one sitting. Just sat there and ate, and it ain't like they give you a whole bunch in here anyway, but the fact of the matter is I ate both bags in one sitting, not the same day. I ate this bag today, and the first bag I ate when I had to go get my son from school, and then I ate this bag today, so I don't have no more. So be careful with these chicharrones by 4505. They are very addicting and very good. Good thing about it is it's low in calories and stuff, so a 1/2 ounce may be about a 1/2 bag, because they are clouds of puffaliciousness, very light. So I'm gonna eat and get ready for bed. I'll see y'all Monday. Peace. on Tuesday. Here I have some steak, prime rib steak I cut up. What is this? Sweet potatoes. I think it's 5 ounces, 4 ounces of green beans. I got a salad here with lettuce, of course, lettuce, tomato, onion, cucumber. And then over here I have 4 ounces of Friday yogurt with one of those little tiny manzano bananas and some Pure Elizabeth banana nut butter granola, about a tablespoon, drizzled with a little bit of honey, maybe about a teaspoon of honey, not much. So I broke my fast with some chicken broth, my Kettle and Fire chicken bone broth. So everything today was about 1,200 calories, 91 grams of protein, carb 90, total carbs 16, fiber, and fat 62. So I'm fine with that. My workout today, I'm doing Mr. and Mrs. Muscle 30-day challenge. So I did the workouts for today. I also did lower body, which was hips, glutes, legs, and I did a tire push, which wore me out, and then I did 2 laps around the track, and I was done. It took me about an hour and a half to get through everything. Yeah, so then we on to tomorrow, Tuesday. So until next time, good night. I hope everybody is safe. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up when you come in. It's free, and come and chit chat with me. Peace.